Hey, Jock, real quick, man. If you want to make that document accessible to the entire admin team, you simply go into your Google Sheets, you go into that particular document. You see the three dots at the upper right hand corner. You click on the three dots up here. Also, what you would do is go down to details. Clicking on details now. Under details, it says who has access. So you can simply click on where it says, you have two options. You can click on where it says link sharing all. I'm going to click on that for you. And then you can say anyone with the link can view, or you can change that setting by clicking on the down arrow. And it says anyone with the link can view, or you can say anyone can edit. Now, for the sake of the team, you can put that on can edit. And then you simply say OK. Now, if you don't want to make the document available to anyone that has a link, you can simply add people, of course. You can go up here, of course, type the people's name. It's best that they have a Google Gmail account for this feature, but you can simply type their name in, of course. Let's put my wife in real quick. And then you can say they have the rights. You can click on the down arrow next to the pencil, and they can have rights to edit, comment. I'll click on it again. They can edit, they can comment, or they can view. Okay? You would simply continue to add more people to the list, and of course you would share it out by pushing this share icon. It looks like an airplane at the upper right. So that's it, man. Hope that's helpful. Bye for now.